Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a caller ID from your Calilio account. Caller IDs help you display a specific number when making calls through Calilio. But if you no longer want to use a certain caller ID, removing it is quick and easy. So here is how you do it. First, click on the three dots beside the numbers of which you want to edit the caller ID and then hit number settings. Now here, you will see a rectangular box with a number beside the text that reads caller ID name. This number is your caller ID that's currently in use. To remove this, simply click on the small cross icon and the job is done. Your caller ID has now been successfully removed as per the notification you received, and that's how you remove a caller ID in Calilio. If you have any other queries, Calilio's 24/7 support team is always available through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.